Hello students, open your textbook page number 204. So students, in our online class we had learnt about nervous system. First system of from our organ system, that is nervous system. So now we will see the second system, that is the circulatory system. Okay. So student, the circulatory system consists mainly of the heart, blood and blood vessels. Blood vessels means arteries, veins and the capillaries. Okay. So student, in circulatory system, which organs are consisting? Heart, blood and blood vessel. So student, we will see about this or we will study about the circulatory system with the help of the diagram of heart. Okay. So let's see students. So student, this is a diagram of our heart. Okay. So heart is important part of the circulatory system. Okay. So our heart is made up of muscles. Our heart is made up of muscle, means there is not having any bone, only muscles. Okay. And it is protected by rib cage. Our heart is protected by rib cage, means rib cage. Okay. And our heart has a 4 chamber. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our heart is divided into 4 chambers. Okay. 2 on the left and 2 on the right. This is a left atrium, left ventricle. This is a right atrium and this is a right ventricle. So our heart is divided into 4 chambers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then the heart pumps the blood. Means heart pump the blood to all parts of the body. Means our heart is carries blood to various or all part of our body. Digested food and oxygen are supplied to all parts of the body through blood, and with the help of this blood all our food and the oxygen is also supplied through this blood to all part of our body. The blood coming to the heart from various part of the body is rich in carbon dioxide. Okay. So we get this blood, means our body get the blood. That is means we get our body get the blood from the heart, and this blood is rich in a carbon dioxide. Okay. Means this heart carries blood to the all parts of our body, and this blood is rich in the carbon dioxide. And then carbon dioxide rich in blood is sent to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen. And again in this blood, the blood मतलब हार्ट में से जो ब्लड है वो ब्लड बॉडी में जाता है. उस ब्लड में क्या होता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मतलब दैट इज अ इम्प्योर ब्लड, वो अच्छा ब्लड नहीं होता. ओके. सो दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ब्लड इज then sent to the lungs. Okay. And lungs, and when it is going to the lungs, where carbon dioxide is exchanged for oxygen. तो क्या होता है? तो जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है ब्लड में, वो लंग में जाने के बाद वो लंग से बाहर आता है. एंड व्हाट विल हैपन? वी टेक इन ऑक्सीजन. और हम क्या लेते हैं? ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं. और जो ब्लड में जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है वो हम बाहर निकालते हैं with the help of lungs. Okay. Then the oxygen rich blood is then pumped by the heart to different parts of the body. And again जो लंग में जो ऑक्सीजन आता है वो फिर हार्ट में आता है, और फिर हार्ट क्या करता है? वो ऑक्सीजन वाला ब्लड है वो पूरे then it will send to the various part of the body. Blood vessels called arteries. These are the arteries. These are the blood vessels. It is called arteries. carry pure blood from the heart, and they are carrying pure blood from the heart to all part of the body. Blood vessels called veins. These are the veins. Blood vessels called veins, and they carry impure blood. Impure means that is not a pure blood, from different parts of the body to the heart. So veins means it is in a which color? Green color. That are also present in our hand. So look at at your hand, they are having green color. That they are called veins, and veins carry impure blood from different parts of the body and sent to the heart. Capillaries, the smallest blood vessels, transfer blood to and form cells. Okay students, so student, this is the structure of our heart, and heart is main part of the circulatory system. So heart, what is the function of heart? To carry blood to the various part of the body, and heart is divided into 4 chamber: left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, so student, read this point of circulatory system again and complete your homework. So student, look at this, choose the correct answer. 1. All the oxygen system in our body join together to form a dash. Answer is living organisms. The dash coordinates all the activities of our body. Answer is brain. The spinal cord connects the dash to the brain. Answer is nerves. The dash is protected by the rib cage. Heart is protected by the rib cage. So student, next organ system is a respiratory system, that we will see in our next video. Thank you students.